Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter video. Today I have a really cute box card for you. This is my spring boot box card. How adorable is this little scene? You have that boot there in the center, some flowers at the top, there's a picket fence there in the background, and some flowers and an Easter egg here in the front. It folds nice and flat for mailing. There's a spot on the back for your message, and of course I included an envelope as well. This box card is really easy to put together and I cannot wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For today's project, we're going to need our CRICUT cutting machine, our light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and our cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2025. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can find the individual cut file for purchase in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. There's also a link in the description box below. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, which gives you all 12 event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and bonus Easter cut files, there's a link for more information in the description box. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight the top layer, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing to the outside box piece. And to the inside tab piece. Now that those three pieces have been converted, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have all my pieces cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish along the score lines for the outside box piece. just like that. I'm going to set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. Go ahead and take the outside box piece and flip it over. We're going to attach the messaging panel to the back of the card. And we can set that to the side. Now let's go ahead and layer the inside tab piece. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. From back to front, you're going to start with the tab piece that has the fencing and then the grass piece. Before we layer them together, I'm going to fold and burnish the tabs here on this tab piece. Just like that, and I will set that to the side. Now it's time to go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Again, refer to that layering guide, but from back to front, you're going to start with the yellow, then red, dark blue, light blue, and then the white or gray color. Now if you're wanting to make this card for just a springtime card, you can just leave off these last two pieces, make a really nice spring card instead of an Easter card. So now I'm going to layer these up and I will show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our front cover panel. We can set that to the side for right now. Now let's take our inside tab piece and the outside box piece. I'm going to add glue to this left tab. Attach it to the left side of the box piece. Making sure to line up the edges. And now I'm going to add glue to the right side and fold the box piece over. Just like that. And now I will add glue to this front left tab and attach my front cover panel to the left side. Again, making sure that you line up those edges. Add glue to the right tab. And then fold the card back onto itself, closing up the box. And there we go. I'm going to set the card there so that it can dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring the side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our box card is all set. Wasn't this one really fun to put together? This could totally be converted into just a springtime card, maybe for a gardener or someone who just really loves spring and getting their hands dirty with plants. You can take the flowers and the Easter egg that are there in the front off and just have a really cute spring boot design instead of the Easter egg there in the front. Really, really fun. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Happy Crafty Easter video. Bye-bye.